welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make orange crinkle cookies. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make the orange crinkle cookies, you'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1 tablespoon of orange juice, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and orange food coloring. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, mix the orange zest with the sugar to help enhance the citrus flavors. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Then set it off to the side. In an electric mixer, beat the butter and sugar on medium-high speed until light and fluffy. Next, add in the vanilla, egg, and orange juice, and mix until well combined. I also added some food coloring before adding the dry ingredients. Slowly add the dry ingredients until just combined. I gradually added more food coloring until I was satisfied with the color. Scoop about a teaspoon of dough, roll it into a ball, roll it in a thin layer of granulated sugar, then roll in the powdered sugar. The granulated sugar will help prevent the powdered sugar from melting. Place the cookies onto a baking sheet and bake in the oven for 10 to 14 minutes or until the bottoms begin to barely brown and the cookies look dry and crackled. Remove them from the oven and allow them to cool for a few minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. And now you have some light, delicious orange crinkle cookies.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the orange crinkle cookies and I hope you did as well. They're cute, delicious, and a fun summer treat. If you recreate these cookies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your orange crinkle cookies and have a great day. Bye!